Hey everyone, if you're excited about revolutionary auto intel technology and want to stay ahead of the game, smash that subscribe button and help us reach our incredible goal of 2,000 subscribers. Recent jaw-dropping spy shots captured at Tesla's Giga Texas facility have exposed the stunning prototype of what could be one of the most game-changing auto intel vehicles yet, the 2025 Tesla Model 2. This sleek and compact EV appears to be undergoing breakthrough testing and could potentially mark the beginning of a revolutionary era in auto intel affordability. Designed as a smaller, more budget-friendly entry into Tesla's amazing lineup, the Model 2 could bring the dream of owning a Tesla within reach for millions. With a starting price as low as $10,799 after applicable tax credits, this remarkable affordability is not just a marketing gimmick. It's a realistic opportunity created through a combination of groundbreaking manufacturing techniques, localized production, and aggressive cost-cutting measures. But that opportunity may soon vanish due to proposed legislation referred to informally as the Beautiful Bills, which could eliminate the $7,500 federal EV tax credit as early as 2026. For prospective buyers, this means time is absolutely critical. Failing to act within this narrow window might mean missing out on the most affordable Tesla ever created. For those hoping to stay ahead of this fast-moving situation and to capitalize on potential savings worth thousands, subscribing to Tesla news channels such as Auto Intel is a wise move. Keeping informed is crucial, especially with significant changes looming in the EV incentive landscape. So, what exactly do these new spy shots reveal about the Tesla Model 2? For starters, it's now all but confirmed that this long-rumored model is more than just a concept. It's in active development. Captured at Giga Texas, Tesla's flagship manufacturing facility in Austin, Texas, the vehicle was seen heavily camouflaged as is common during early-stage road testing. Still, several telling features were visible. From the camouflaged outline, the proportions indicate a compact 5-door hatchback. A body style perfect for urban commuting and daily driving. Compared to Tesla's Model 3, the Model 2 looks to be approximately 25% smaller, suggesting a length around 165 in versus the Model 3's 184.8 in and a projected wheelbase near 106 inches. Despite its compact size, Tesla aims to preserve interior comfort by optimizing the cabin layout and using space-efficient structural design. One of the most important features of the Model 2 is its weight. With a target curb weight near 3,200 pounds, significantly lighter than the 3,900 pounds Model 3. The vehicle leverages new structural elements like gigacast chassis parts and simplified mechanical systems to maximize performance and efficiency. From a visual standpoint, everything about the car's design appears optimized for aerodynamics and efficiency. The front end is notably shorter and more tapered than existing Tesla models, while the wheels sport a new aerodynamic design aimed at reducing rolling resistance. At the rear, a steep upright windshield suggests airflow has been finely tuned to minimize turbulence and drag. In essence, Tesla seems to be engineering a new vehicle platform that, while budget-conscious, doesn't compromise on range or performance. The goal is clear. Redefine what an affordable EV can be. Performance specs on the Model 2 are already generating massive excitement. Tesla plans to equip the vehicle with its next-generation 4680 structural battery pack version 2.0, which is currently undergoing testing in the updated Model 3 Highland. Battery capacity is expected to land between 57 to 60 kilowatt-hours utilizing lithium iron phosphate LFP chemistry. This chemistry choice is not only cost-effective but also offers enhanced thermal stability and a longer cycle life. With this setup, the Model 2 is projected to achieve an EPA-estimated range of around 350 miles, far exceeding the range of many competitors in its class, such as the Chevrolet Bolt EUV, which maxes out around 280 miles. Acceleration from 260 miles per hour is expected in approximately 6.9 seconds. Positioning the Model 2 is comparable to compact crossovers like the BMW X1 or Mazda CX-5, despite its lower price point. A top speed of around 110 miles per hour ensures it remains practical for highway travel. On top of that, Tesla is planning to support V for supercharging with the Model 2, meaning drivers can charge from 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes using the new NACS charging standard. This feature alone could make the Model 2 one of the most travel-friendly budget EVs on the market. During Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings call, Elon Musk reaffirmed that the Model 2 is on track for a late 2025 launch. According to Musk, Tesla is finalizing last-minute development tweaks and anticipates availability in select U.S. cities before the year ends. By Q2 2025, final stage testing will wrap up, including real-world stress evaluations of the 4680 battery in both cold and hot weather along with safety validation tests required by US and European regulators. Tesla plans to start limited pre-production runs in Q3 2025 at Giga Texas with initial volumes estimated at 10,000 to 20,000 units. These will be used to validate the Factos assembly line, AI-driven robotic systems, and production tolerances by Q4 2025. Tesla expects to begin accepting reservations, likely with priority access for customers already using Tesla's ecosystem of products such as Solar Roof or Starlink. Full-scale mass production is targeted for Q1 2026 with Tesla aiming to produce between 300,000 to 500,000 Model 2 units in the first year alone. Initial markets will include the United States, Canada, and selected European countries. Tesla's new unboxed manufacturing process is another reason why the Model 2 could revolutionize the EV industry. If you're loving this incredible auto intel content and want to see more breakthrough updates, don't forget to subscribe and help us dominate our way to 2,000 subscribers. Unlike traditional car assembly lines where vehicles move along a single path with parts added in sequence, the unboxed method constructs major subassemblies such as the front, rear, battery, and cabin in parallel. These modules are later brought together for final assembly, drastically shortening the physical assembly line and cutting production time. Tesla believes this will reduce the total build time per vehicle to under 10 hours compared to 2,530 hours for traditional gas-powered cars and even Tesla's own current average of 12 to 14 hours for Model 3 and Model Y by reducing assembly time. Tesla lowers labor costs and boosts throughput. Furthermore, Tesla's deep integration of AI and robotics ensures that each vehicle is scanned and validated in real time by AI-powered cameras and machine learning algorithms. Catching defects early and improving the first-pass quality rate to nearly 98%. Key hardware innovations like the 9,000-ton Gigapress Decasting machines are also integral to Tesla's cost-cutting efforts. These machines produce massive underbody parts in one solid aluminum piece, eliminating hundreds of separate parts and welds and boosting structural integrity while reducing costs. Tesla's unique approach writing its own robotic software and manufacturing code in-house gives it flexibility and agility unmatched by legacy automakers who rely on third-party vendors. All of these innovations contribute to Tesla's bold goal of producing up to 2 million Model 2 units per year. By 2027, each of Tesla's global gigafactories will play a critical role in achieving this target. Giga Nevada is central to battery production, where Tesla is investing $3.6 billion to scale up output of its 4,680 cells to 100 GWh per year, enough to support 1.5 million Model 2 units annually. Giga Texas will serve as the primary assembly hub for U.S. vehicles, combining battery modules from Nevada into fully assembled Model to South using the unboxed production method. Giga Berlin, meanwhile, will support the European market, producing localized versions of the model to tailor to meet strict EU regulatory requirements and avoiding costly transatlantic shipping. In Mexico, Tesla's upcoming Giga Mexico factory will become one of its most advanced and largest facilities. Strategically located near the U.S. border, this site will specialize in high-volume low-cost vehicle production for North America, Latin America, and right-hand drive markets such as the UK, Japan, and Australia. However, despite Tesla's clear rollout schedule, waiting until after 2025 to purchase a Model 2 could cost buyers thousands of dollars. Current legislative efforts in the U.S., the so-called Beautiful Bills aim to overhaul the federal EV incentive program. If enacted in January 2026, these reforms would eliminate the $7,500 tax credit for vehicles that include battery materials sourced from countries like China, where LFP cells are commonly manufactured. They would also exclude any vehicle not fully assembled in the U.S., potentially disqualifying units made in Giga Mexico. Additional measures under consideration include strict income caps, for example, $75,000 for individuals, $150,000 for households, and vehicle price ceilings, which could mean even modest configuration upgrades result in loss of eligibility for tax benefits. Combined, these rules would dramatically increase the out-of-pocket cost for buyers. In contrast, purchasing a Model 2 in 2025 could mean paying as little as $10,799 after federal incentives with potential state-level rebates further reducing costs. States like California offer up to $4,500 in additional EV rebates with New York, Oregon, and Colorado also offering significant incentives. Tesla may even offer supercharger discounts or other perks for early adopters who take advantage of existing programs. But once these incentives are gone, The same vehicle could cost $18,299 or more depending on demand and configuration. The message is clear. 2025 is the best time to act if you want maximum savings and first access to most affordable and revolutionary auto intel vehicle ever created. This is your chance to be part of the auto intel revolution, so smash that subscribe button one more time and help us reach our amazing goal of 2,000 subscribers, because together we're going to dominate the future of transportation.